These are the Hydrogel Self-Cooling Eye Masks, 10-pack, so plenty even to share. These feel instantly cool on contact. No fridge, no prep, no patience required, just immediate relief. So you just peel the back off and you are going to get immediate cooling relief. You're going to just put your nose in here and put that on your eyes. They noticeably calm puffy, tired eyes after, late nights or lots of screen time. These definitely stay put without slipping, so you're not stuck lying perfectly still like a statue. What I really like is they're individually wrapped. So, making this easy to toss this in your bag or your carry-on. Why these stand out. These are activated within seconds. Once they hit your skin, it makes them perfect for quick resets during the day or in bed. They feel soothing and lightweight. This is not sticky or messy. There is no residue left behind. This just feels cool. The hydrogel feels soothing and cool. Fragrance-free. Despite the ingredients, they're still ideal for sensitive eyes, and there is no fragrance whatsoever. So what I suggest, 10 to 15 minutes, you could cover your eyes completely, you can get some downtime, and you can relax. Bottom line, these cooling eye masks, this is a fast, no-nonsense eye relief that feels way more spa than screen fatigue deserves. These are efficient, they're cooling, and there is no drama. The opinions in this review are mine based on my real use of the product. The product was provided by the brand.